Welcome to Harriman classes. Dear friends, today we are going to study about the adverb clause. And in the previous videos, I have done already two videos, one about adjective clause and second one about noun clause. So here I am doing number 3 video. It is about adverb clause, and adverb clause means adverb means what means adverb is tells more about verb, how the verb works in the sentence, and the adverb it is qualified to the verb or adjective or another adverb. So I will give you the adverbial. I will give you more information about the adverbial clause, and adverbial clause is about 9 types. Means one is adverbial clause of time, and second one is adverbial clause of place, and third one adverbial clause of condition, and fourth one adverbial clause of reason, and fifth one adverbial clause of purpose, and then sixth one adverbial clause of result, and seventh adverbial clause of manner, and adverbial clause of comparison 8, and last one adverbial clause of contrast or the concession. So dear friends, I will show you the written form, and it will more clear to you. So I will give the examples. And the adverbial clause, in the adverbial clause adverb act as a finite verb and non-finite verb. Okay, I will show you. Dear friends, adverb clause, adverb it qualify the verb in the three forms. So I will tell you the adverb form. The adverbial clause of time, I will tell you. Here the linkers will be there: before, after, until, when, since, whenever, till. These are the linkers of the adverbial clause of time. So I will give the example: do it before you forget. So linker before is there, and this is the adverbial clause: before you forget. What I have underlined, these are the adverbial clauses. I will read. 2. The guests had left before I reached home. Before I reached the home, this is the adverbial clause. So number 3, don't talk while she is singing. While she is singing, this is the adverbial clause. So in a non-finite, having taken food, he took rest. Having taken food. Number 4, I will do it when I think fit. This is the adverbial clause, when I think fit. And then I will go to the number 2, adverbial clause of place. Adverbial clause of place. So linkers where, wherever, and whence. And I will go to the examples. He followed me where I went. Where I went, this is the adverbial clause. I have put it where I can find it again. This is the adverbial clause. Go quickly whence you came. This is the adverbial clause. You can put it wherever you like. This is the adverbial clause. And the number 3, I will read adverbial clause of condition. So linkers if, unless, in case. So example: she will come if you telephone her. This is the adverbial clause. He will pass if he study hard. This is the adverbial clause. Unless you work hard, you cannot pass in the examination. This is the adverbial clause. So non-finite will be there. All being well, we will play the match. All being well. And fourth one, if I were bird, I will fly in the sky. This is the adverbial clause. And number 4, I will give adverbial clause of reason. Adverbial clause of reason. This is the fourth one. The linkers as, because, since. These are the linkers. And I will go to the examples. As the cat was away, the mice enjoyed. So this is the adverbial clause, and enjoyed is a verb. and I didn't buy it because it was very expensive. Because it was very expensive. The linker because is there. And non-finite. There being all wise we could not understand. So, number 3, we must finish now since it is nearly bedtime. This is the adverbial clause. And then number 5, I will go to the number 5, adverbial clause of purpose. So that lest, in order that, in order to. These are the linkers and examples. He is studying hard so that he can get a first class. This is the adverbial clause. He works hard so that he may pass. This is the adverbial clause. Bring it nearer that I may see it better. This is adverbial clause. In non-finite, he works hard so as to pass in the examination. Run fast lest you should miss the bus. This is the adverbial clause. And number 6, adverbial clause of result. So adjective plus that means so adjective or so that. He is so tired that he can't walk. This is the adverbial clause. It was so dark that I could see nothing. What I have underlined, these are the adverbial clauses are there. He was hit in the chest so that he died. His speech went on so long that I fell asleep. It was such a good story that I will never forget. And I will go to the next 7th one, adverbial clause of manner means behavior. So linkers as if, as, like. So I will go to the examples. He walked as if was a king. Write as I suggest. These are the adverbial clauses which I have underlined. You should complete this work as you are told. You should do as I tell you. Underlined. You may finish how you like. So these are the adverbial clause which I have underlined. And I will go to the next 8th one. Adverbial clause of comparison. As, than, as, so as. So I will go to the examples. He is as intelligent as his brother. He can do it better than she can. These are the adverbial clauses. I can't walk so fast as you can. These are the 1, 2, 3. She is much older than she looks. Adverbial clauses. And I will go to the last one. Adverbial clause of contrast or the concession. Linkers. Though, although, while, even though. Though he is poor, he is honest. This is the adverbial clause. Though he is rich, he is dishonest. While he likes cats, he does not allow in his house. This is the adverbial clause. Although it was raining, he went out without umbrella. Though he was wealthy, he was not happy. I will buy one whatever it costs. Dear friends, I have made it somewhat busy manner because the time limit is there. So that I hope you understood the adverbial clause. So, dear friends, if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon, and it will help us to upload our future video. And if you like our video, please share to your friends. If you have any comments, please comment on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.